Trains and buses across China were packed for one of the busiest days of travel in years on Friday, feeding fears of new surges in a raging COVID-19 outbreak that officials say has hit its peak. It comes as China reported a large jump in hospitalisations in the week through to January 15th, to the highest since the pandemic began, according to a report published by the World Health Organization on Thursday. Hospitalisations rose by 70% on the previous week, to 63,307, according to the WHO, citing data submitted by Beijing. The same day, state media quoted Vice Premier Sun Chanlan as saying the virus was at a relatively low level, and health officials said the number of COVID patients in hospital and with critical conditions was on the decline. But there are widespread doubts about China's official account of an outbreak that has overwhelmed hospitals and funeral homes since Beijing abandoned strict COVID controls and mass testing last month. Some health experts expect that more than 1 million people will die from the disease in China this year, and documents show spending by funeral homes on items from body bags to cremation ovens has risen in many provinces. Regardless, more than 2 billion trips are expected to take place across China between January 7th and February 15th, the government estimates. President Xi Jinping said this week that he was concerned about an influx of travellers to rural areas with weak medical systems, and that protecting the elderly, many of whom are not fully vaccinated, was a top priority. On Friday, the WHO's Director of Immunisation said China had made enormous progress on delivering both primary and booster doses for older adults.